New question is convert into degree measure. In previous lecture, we saw we convert radian measure, degree measure into radian measure. Now, radian measure or real numbers into degree measure. You have formula for converting this radian measure, that in degree measure is equal to, for converting radian measure. So radian measure is given, then alpha into, आपको पता है कि डिग्री में चेंज करना है. इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इन डिग्री, देन क्या करना है, 180 न्यूमरेटर में रखना है, डिग्री मेजर न्यूमरेटर में और रेडियन मेजर डिनोमिनेटर में. दिस डिग्री means once again you have to convert this applying this formula, right? So this is given 6 radian. Also 1 radian, right? 1 radian is equal to, did you know 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, yes, 57 degree, 16 minute, very good, and 22 second. 22 second. This measurement 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 second. That this is 7. Right? 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 second. That right? So now we have to convert 6. So this is 6 radian, means 1 radian is this, then 6 radian is 6 into this. Measure 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 seconds, right? So this is equal to 60 into 57 degree, 16 minute into 22 second. Got it? Now we have to multiply this, right? So if we multiply 57 into 60, 60 into 6 into 50 is 300, and 7 6 are 42, so 342. So this is 342 degree plus 16 6 are 96. So this is 96 minute plus 22 into 6, 132 seconds. So this is 132 seconds. Got it? What I did? I multiplied this, right? So now 342 degree. Now this is 96 minute. That is 60 plus 36 minute. 60 plus 36 minute. And this is 132 minute. That is 120 plus 12 minute. 120 plus 12 minute. Got it? पता चला है ये? Okay, fine. So this is 342 degree plus 60 minute plus 36 minute plus 120 second plus 12 second. Got it? Now 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. So this is 342 degree plus 1 degree plus 36 second plus 120 seconds, that is 2 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 plus 60, 120 seconds, that is 2 minute. So this is 2 minute and plus 12 second. So now total degree is 342 plus 1, that is 343 degree. Second 38. So plus 38 second and plus 12 minute. So your answer will be 343 degree, 38 minute and 12 second. Got it? पता चला? यदि आपको ये सब नहीं करना है और डायरेक्टली यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला आपको सॉल्व करना है तो भी कर सकते हैं. So or second method, right? This is or second method. क्या दिया है? 6 रेडियन. So 6 रेडियन is equal to 6 into, कन्वर्ट करना है डिग्री में, तो 6 इंटू 180 बाई पाई आएगा, तो 180 बाई पाई डिग्री होगा। और पाई का वैल्यू क्या लेना है, व्हाट इज द पाई, 22/7, वो सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो क्या होगा, 6 इंटू 180 इंटू 7/22, इट्स ओके नाउ, गॉट इट, दिस इज 7/22, गॉट इट। सो नाउ दिस इज 11 to the 22 and 3 and then the thing, so 21 into 180, 21 into 180, right? So this is 21 into 180 divided by 11 degree. So 21 into 180 means 18 into 2, 36, that is 360, right? Then क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, 36 360 एंड देन 180 ऐड करना है। सो 180 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 378 होगा। सो 3780, सो 3780 डिवाइड बाय 11 डिग्री हो गया, 3780 डिवाइड बाय 11 डिग्री। नाउ डिवाइड 3780, सो 3780 divided by 11, so 11 3s are 33, so this is 4, right? Carry 8, 11 4s are 44, this is 40, and 11 3s are 37, sorry 33, so remainder is 7, right? So what we get, this is 343 plus 7/11 degree, 7/11 degree, got it? Now this is 343 degree plus 7/11 degree. Now we have to convert degree into minute. बड़े में से छोटे में जाना है तो मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, छोटे में से बड़े में आना है तो डिवाइड करना पड़ता है, और बड़े में से छोटे में जाना है तो मल्टीप्लाई करना। तो दिस इज 7/11 into 60 minute, got it? 7/11 into 60 minute, right? So this is 343 degree plus 7 into 6, 42, that is 420. So 420 divided by 11, so 11 3s are 33, so 7 plus 2 9 into 0, 11 8 are 88, so 2 is remainder. So what we get here, 38 plus 2/11 minute, right? I am writing directly this 420 divided by 11 like this, okay? No need to write this like this, okay? Now this is 343 degree plus 38 minute plus this is minute plus 2/11 minute. We have to convert this into seconds, means again multiply by 60, that is 2/11 into 60 second. So this is 120 divided by 11, so 120 divided by 11, 11 1 ja 11, so 10, so this is 10 point something, so answer is approximately 11, right? So your answer will be 343 degree, 38 minute and 11 second, and 11 second, here we will get 12 seconds, right? So this will be in minor difference in seconds, right? Okay, but that is okay. So now you have to adopt a formula, whatever you like, or method, which one is easiest for you, right? But this method is applicable for only just like of this type of radian or real numbers are given, then you can convert using this method into a degree measure. If real numbers or radian measures are given, suppose it is given like 11/16, then you are not able to, because you have to divide there, so you are not able to do adopt this method. आप इस मेथड वहाँ अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, तो आप ऐसे ही कीजिए, राइट? सो यहाँ से आप कैलकुलेटर भी कर सकते हैं, मगर मैं वो सिखाने वाला नहीं हूँ, बराबर? कैलकुलेटर कैसे करना है वो मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा, तो आपको ऐसे ही करना है, क्योंकि ये जो क्वेश्चन आएगा तो क्वेश्चन आपको पूरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव में आएगा, एमसीक्यू तो है ही नहीं आपके पास, तो एमसीक्यू के लिए वो करना नहीं है, राइट। यदि ऐसा लगेगा तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बता दूंगा कि यहाँ से कैसे कैलकुलेटर यूज करके करना है, राइट। बिकॉज मेरे पास अभी कैलकुलेटर नहीं है, मैं यूज नहीं करता हूँ, सो मैं आपको भी कैलकुलेटर यूज करने की कोई ऐसे बात नहीं करता हूँ कि आप कैलकुलेटर का यूज करो, अवॉइड कैलकुलेटर इन मैथ्स, ओके। सो ऐसे और दो एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको होमवर्क में देना चाहता हूँ। तो पहला है टेक्स्ट बुक का ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इसका सेकंड पेज नंबर 54 है, वो है -4 रेडियन, right? Either only -4 is given because you know radian and real numbers are same, so nothing change in real and number and radian number measures, right? So -4 radian, and answer will be of this is -229 degree, -229 degree, 5 minute and 28 second. Answer of this is this. And suppose one extra question is suppose 2 radian, then answer will be not half of this, exactly not half of this, but approximately, right, half of this, that is 114 degree, 32 minute and 44 second, right? So you have to do these two questions, okay? और बाकी जो है क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम्पल का क्वेश्चन 2 का फर्स्ट और थर्ड फोर्थ वो हम अभी करते हैं निकाल के, है ना। सो नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑफ क्वेश्चन 2 नंबर 1, 3 and 4 we have to convert that into degree measure as we discussed, right? So first is 11 by 16. So this is given radian measure and we have to convert into a degree measure, and you know you have the formula radian measure alpha is equal to alpha into degree measure, that is 180 upon pi degree. This is your formula, 180 upon pi degree. So this can be written as 11 upon 60 into 180 upon pi degree. Now pi is 22 by 7, so substituting value of pi, we will get 11 by 16 into 180 divided by 22 into 7, denominator goes to numerator, this is degree. So 11 to the, this is 90, right? So this will be 8, this is 15 90, that is 6, and this is 90, so this is 45 and this is 8, right? So 45 into 7, 7 4 ja 28, 280 plus 35, that is 280 plus 35 is 315, so this is 315 divided by 8 degree, 315 divided by 8 degree. Now divide 315 by 8, so if we divide 315 by 8, so this is 8 3s are 24, so remaining is 7 75 9 72, so 3, so this will be written as, you know, 39 plus 3 by 8, right? So this is 39 plus 3 by 8 degree. Now this can be written as 39 degree plus 3 by 8 degree. Now we have to convert this degree into minute, so multiply by 60 minute. So this is 60 into 4, right? So what we get here, 15 4 ja 60 and 4 2, that is 45 by 2. So this is 39 degree plus 45 by 2 minute. Now 45 by 2, no need to divide, is 22 and half. So this is 11 by 16 is equal to 39 degree plus 22 and half minute. 22 and half minute. Either you can put plus also here, right? So this is 39 degree plus 22 second plus half second in, 22 minute, we have to convert into second, right? Plus half into 60 second, that is 30 seconds. So very easy. So 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 seconds. That is your answer. Got it? 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 seconds. Now third one, because we did second. Okay, 5 pi by 3. It's very easy. 5 pi by 3 is equal to, we have to multiply by 180 upon pi. So this is 180 upon pi, degree, pi cancel. This is 6t and 60 into 5 is 300. So answer is 300 degree. No minute and no seconds. Very good. Right? Then fourth one, 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi by 6 into, we have to multiply by 180 upon pi. So this is 180 upon pi degree. So pi cancel. So this pi cancel and this is 30. That is 30. 7 into 3, 210. So answer is 210 degree. So it's a very easy examples. So there will be, remember one thing, there will be one question of this type, radian to degree, either degree to radian in your all exam. Okay, so remember this. Okay, and I hope आपको पता चला है और आपको भी इसका प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी, क्योंकि मैंने प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी क्वेश्चन दिया है. तो इसमें भी दे देते हैं थोड़ा होमवर्क, राइट? सो होमवर्क मेरे पास लैपटॉप के स्क्रीन पे सामने है, इसमें से मैं लिख के लिखता हूँ, है ना? ओके, सो 1/4, राइट? आंसर विल बी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1/4 radian, either 1/4 real numbers, because real numbers and radian are same. So 14 degree, 19 minute and 5 second. Then second one, 2 pi by 15 लिखते हैं. चलो 2 pi by 15. Then answer क्या होगा मगर? 2 pi by 15 is 24 degree. Answer will be 24 degree, because pi by 15 is 12 degree. So 12 into 2. I remember pi by 15 is 12 degree. So 2 into pi by 15, that is 24 degree. Number 3, 11. 11 radian or 11 real number, both are same, no difference, is 630 degree. Fourth one लेते हैं -3. So your answer will be -171 degree, 49 minutes and 5 seconds. 49 minutes and 5 seconds. And fifth कर ही देते हैं, -5 pi by 6. So -30 and -5, that is -150 degree. Answer is -150 degree. और 3 देता हूँ क्या? चलो और 3 हो जाएगा, राइट? सो 6 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, pi by 15. लो आ गया. Pi by 15 is 12 degree, as I told you. Pi by 15 is 12 degree, so 2 pi by 15 is 12 into 2, 24. So seventh one, 8 radian or 8 real number, right? So answer will be 458 degree, 10 minutes and 55 seconds. 10 minutes and 55 seconds. And the last one, 8 is pi by 32. Pi by 32. So answer will be क्या आएगा? 5 degree. ओके, 37 मिनट में भी थक गया और 30 सेकेंड्स, राइट? सो घर पे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और मैथ्स में परफेक्ट हो जाइए, फुल मार्क्स स्कोर करने के लिए, राइट?